Hi. Last week I bought this lovely clock. It's got to be 1940s, I would say. I've been working on it quite hard, and I think it's going to strike soon. It's not quite an easy job really, to be honest. I managed to get it running. As you can see, it's working. But it's not really running really well. I will be honest, it's not running well. It's a floating balance clock. As you can see, that should be running double that speed. But it is running, it's just striking now. It's a lovely sound. But it needs more work. I have got a new donor movement coming to repair the spring and stuff. It still needs more work, I'm afraid. But it's a lovely clock. I paid £5. It's a really nice clock though. It is nearly 80 years old, so it's going to take some time to get the parts running right. So I thought I'd say I'm going to put some of this beeswax on that. This is nice beeswax. A bit for wood. Got a lovely smell. Got a lovely smell, this. Some other clocks running. What I've repaired before. This is my next one, and when I give this a rub, this will come up like a glass. You can see it already. Look. It's gorgeous. And here's that. It's lovely. A bit of it's proper beeswax, this is brilliant. Anyway, I'll see you later when I get the new donor movement to get this working properly. I'll see you later. Bye.